If life has started to feel like one long to-do list, oh Lord, let's invite a little joy back into your life with one angel and three simple crystals to help you do that. So, well, who do we have? We have Citrine. Yes, there's controversy about heat-treated amethyst. Okie dokie. We're not getting into that today. We also have Rose Quartz for your beautiful heart center. And then Sea Jasper or Ocean Jasper. So what is Ocean Jasper for? How about connection? How about flow and communication and seeing waves just dance and just roll in? Oh my gosh, I could sit and watch the waves roll in on the shores, the north shores of Oahu or San Diego, the beach there, other beaches, and just the rhythm, just in and out. And the sound, the smells, the scents. Rose quartz, stone of unconditional love. When your heart feels filled with joy and love for what you're doing, what you're going to do, with the people you're with, for yourself, it is a natural uplifting energy. And then we have citrine, whose base is milky white, at least this one, milky white quartz, energy purification, spiritual protection on your path. And then the yellow reminds us, or it reminds me, of the sun's energy, how it can help empower you and to just feel the sun on your face. So when the sun is out, even if you're in the shade, you get benefit from its heat, its energy, the birds, the animals, the plants, the everything. And who's the angel we're working with today? Archangel Jophiel. She can help lift the heaviness from your heart. That's kind of like her right there. Okay? Lift the heaviness from your heart, no matter what you're carrying. And some of it probably isn't even yours. We talked about that in the previous video. Carrying stuff that's not even yours. So what do? You have a large one, you have a small one, you don't have any of these. You probably have rose quartz. At least I hope so. It is readily available in lots of different places. This one is a light pink. You can have darker pinks. Some I actually have in my warehouse because we've got things tucked away as I'm still in transition from one place to another for my living arrangements. I have a beautiful, very heavy, I think it's probably what, 3 pounds or so, a large dark pink rose, smoky rose quartz sphere. And actually the smoky part is only on one side, but I'm digressing. So what happens with these? If you like the ocean, let's just, putting any fears aside, okay? Just to be floating and surrounded by this amazing connector, this amazing flow of energy. It is just, it's incredible. Absolutely incredible. And Archangel Jophiel is all about unconditional love for you. You can put or imagine, visualize a bubble of pink light around you, not like super close, but just, a bubble. So you have enough room to move and do all your stuff. Okay. It's not confining. It is going to help repel negativity from other people. It's going to help uplift you, lift you, level up your current vibration, no matter where it is, to something that can help you see things in a more joyful way. Now, is this about pretending there's nothing going wrong in the world or your life or your family, your job, your business? No. This is not about denial. This is not about oh my goddess, everything is like, I just have to pretend nothing is happening. No, when you can, so the stuff is here. And if you can raise yourself even to here or a little higher, you still see it. But now you're seeing it differently. And ask Archangel Jophiel to help you raise your vibration so you can see the thing or the issues or whatever differently so you can then heal them within you or receive the intuitive guidance for solving the problem. And it's like, oh wow, okay. That is joyful. We're working on being lighter so that we can feel higher and brighter and tap into what is attempting to come in for us. How amazing is that? Okay, so quick ritual. Do you have citrine? Do you have ocean jasper? Do you have rose quartz? Can you use all three at once? Absolutely. Put them right in front of you in your sacred space on a table. Have your hands on them. Use one. Say you have a rose quartz palm stone or a sphere, or you have an obelisk. Archangel Jophiel, please help me with this. Help me lift my energy from within. Help me tap into energy in a soft, subtle, gentle way so that I can move beyond what I'm feeling now, what I'm sensing now, what is happening now. And don't name the thing. Don't name it. Don't name it. Because when you name it, it helps to send energy to the thing that you're trying to move through, work through, heal, see differently. Help me connect with the ocean, the soft breezes, the salt water, and the gentle movement that brings those soft little waves and curls to the shore. Maybe you stand at the water's edge with your feet, feet on the sand, in the sand, and the water just comes up and laps around your ankles, cools you off. Oh my goddess, that is so amazing. And even if it's cold San Diego water, ocean, when it's cold, it can still be refreshing and uplift from the inside out. It's about keeping things simple. They're not always easy, but the simpler things are, the more practical things are. It makes it easier for us during our days. I mean, there are demands and so much going on. No matter where you are, no matter when you see this, there's always so much going on. And we are more connected and interconnected, and the collective is full of all kinds of things. And honestly, I have enough of my own junkalitis to work with to heal, to move through and past. I don't need anybody else's. And when you are empathic, you are highly sensitive, it's easy to get overwhelmed in all the other stuff that's going around. Observe it, acknowledge it, and choose to see past or through it at a higher level of vibration using Ocean Jasper, Citrine, Rose Quartz. And call in Archangel Jophiel. She will help you instantaneously. And trust it. And then also you can see yourself in a bubble of beautiful rose quartz light. If you want to raise your vibration and feel warmer, that warmer sense of joy, use Citrine energy. If you want to feel a little cooler, more connected, and if that's how your joy shows itself, then connect with Ocean Jasper. So until next time, beautiful soul, have an amazing day, and we'll see you soon.